There's a feeling that exists here on the peninsula, and it's not something that is really tangible. There's a soul that exists here, and I think the very heart of that is the wilderness. Without the wildness of the Keweenaw Peninsula, we lose the very thing that breathes life into this place. I've lived in beautiful places and natural areas, but have not had the kind of connection to the landscape that I've had here in the Keweenaw. That connection to the landscape gives me the foundation for having stayed here for 30 years and continuing to photograph. When you are walking on 1 billion-year-old rock, you feel it. For me, that translates into what it is that I'm seeing for images. You know, finding meaning in what it is that you're making images of.
People can come here and really find themselves. I think that's what happened to us. I serve as the Stewardship Organizer for the Michigan Nature Association up here in the Keweenaw. My husband, Bill, works alongside me. We take care of sanctuaries in the area, and we also work with a lot of volunteers. In our 19 sanctuaries here in the Keweenaw, you'll find an amazing diversity of landscapes. There's so much to be seen and enjoyed. I've watched how many people on Brockway Mountain just go, "Isn't this beautiful? It needs to stay like this." During the years of copper mining in the Keweenaw Peninsula, there was very much the attitude that what was under the land was for the taking, and the land above was used as the dumping grounds. The scars are still here. We can see those scars and compare it to the natural beauty around.
These are all lessons that have been given to us. And I think that the analogy from that time to this time is that we are starting to see people who don't really have a tie to the locality, but they want to make money off of it. They're seeing opportunity now. They see cheap land. They see an ability to turn a dime for an investor. This is a special place, and any special place, in my understanding and history, is fragile. Land conservation here in the Keweenaw is probably our single most important issue, because without it, we lose the wildness and the untamed nature of the landscape.
M&A has designated the Keweenaw as a special place that needs to be protected. As we work to acquire new lands, as M&A moves forward, it's my hope that people can continue to visit the sanctuaries, the quiet places. If we don't take care of them, if we aren't the ones to make sure that they're preserved, they'll be lost. It's up to us.
The idea of keeping things wild really is for everyone. And I think that that is the purpose of conservation, is to make sure that 7 generations ahead of us have the same experience that we do.